Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day today. Today, I'm going to have a little bit of a rant because you see, Louis Vuitton is laughing at us, they're not the only ones, and we're letting them. Now, I don't usually do opinion-based videos because, frankly, who's interested in my opinion? But this has been bothering me for quite a while. It's been bothering me for probably a year and a half, 2 years, and it's kind of culminated in the now with the release of the new model Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch, Poche Toilette NM Toiletry bag. If you found me through this video and you are new to my channel, however, my name is Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell. And don't miss out on any of my videos, normally coming out Tuesdays and Thursdays every damn week. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Right, as I said, I don't usually do these kind of videos. I'm not a fan of kind of fake drama. I just don't have the energy for it. I don't watch those videos. I don't want my channel to have those videos on them, but this has been kind of bothering me, as I said, for quite a while. So, why do I think Louis Vuitton and other brands, looking at YOU Chanel, are laughing at us and we're letting them? They're laughing at us because we, the luxury loving community, look for an in, look for a way to get started on our luxury journeys, and that might be price related, it might be availability related, it might be, you know, style related, what works for us, what can we actually see ourselves using. And it's fair to say that things like the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 became hugely popular, especially after our wonderful Lady Di was spotted carrying one onto a little sailboat for a cheeky little trip away, tucked under her arm. The world went mad for them. And yeah, great product, okay? It's not for me, but it is a great product. I have had 3 toiletry pouches. I was a little bit obsessed with the giant monogram collection that came out in 2019, and I bought the khaki green one and also bought the red pink one. Now, I don't know what it was, I don't know if it was the white on there or whatever, but I decided that I wasn't going to keep those and I was going to sell them on, which I did. I then thought maybe the monogram, just plain good old classic LV monogram, was the right print for me. I thought maybe it was the print that put me off. So I went ahead and I was able to pick up in August 2019 at Bond Street with my lovely sales associate, client advisor Fergus, whipped out a Toiletry 26 for me to look at, and I said, I'll take it. Now, side note, nearly had to fight someone. I was sat there, I was looking at it, and I was looking at a Speedy 40, which I thought I'd use that as an overnight travel bag or whatever. And when I was looking at this Speedy 40, and I was sitting on a sofa, I was being wined and dined with a little bit of champagne from my lovely Fergus. I was sitting there, I was looking at the 40, and someone came over and literally leant over the back of the sofa and picked up the Toiletry 26, and I had to say, I'm sorry, that's mine. I'm buying that. And I did buy it. And do you know how much I paid for it? I paid £280. Oh, I know, £280. At the time, I thought, £280, that's a lot for a toiletry pouch. Okay, even if I use it as a clutch, even if I buy a conversion kit, which I did, it is a toiletry pouch. 280 quid is a lot to pay for a toiletry pouch. Availability has always been an issue. And don't get me started on the quality nosedive. That is, again, a whole other video. Now, I can't remember exactly how much that Toiletry 26 was when it was pulled from the shelves last year. Last year? last year, but the last time I looked at the price on it, it was £365. So it had already gone up considerably during the sort of 2020-21 multiple price rises that Louis Vuitton implemented. So £280 to £365 is already a massive jump. But even with that huge price increase, it was still incredibly popular, and that's because it was kind of an entry level into Louis Vuitton. It gave you an opportunity to buy a product that you could then use on the daily. It was usable daily, and decide if you wanted to invest more into that brand. Did you like the quality of it? How did it hold up for you? Did you find it particularly useful design? All of those things you'd take into consideration before then moving on and then dropping, let's face it, 3 times the amount on a handbag. Even something like the Alma BB, which is £1,200 now, I don't know exactly. So I think Louis Vuitton are laughing at us because they restricted the availability, they put the price up anyway, but the biggest laugh is now the re-release, the much waited for, much anticipated re-release of the Toiletry 26. I give you, ladies and gentlebeans, the Toiletry 26, or the Toiletry Pouch NM. Yes, this is the new model. This is basically a Pochette Voyage. Now, this is basically a Pochette Voyage with less leather on it, less reinforcement, and canvas for canvas is a £5 more expensive. Now, I don't know about you, but if I wanted all of those card slots and stuff in my toiletry pouch, I would have gone for a Pochette Voyage. And indeed, I did briefly look at the Pochette Voyage. I looked at it in the Monogram Eclipse because I am partial to a bit of Monogram Eclipse. However, it is still the same thing. Ultimately, basically, it is still the same thing, and the style didn't work for me. The Pochette Voyage in this blue canvas is £750, and in the Monogram canvas, it is £755. So it is £5 more expensive than what was already there in the men's collections available for us throughout all of time, but has gone through its own series of price increases over the last couple of years. So they've effectively priced this as a handbag now, frankly, but they still have left the design looking like a toiletry pouch, and there are no D-rings or anything like that. So not only do we have this new Poche Toilette NM toiletry bag, but we also have a version available that has launched in the States that does come with D-rings. Yes, and a little chain. I believe it's a chain. I haven't seen it on the UK website, only on a video by one of my US-based fellow YouTubers. But what we do have in the UK is this raffia version, which does come with a chain strap for the princely sum of, brace yourselves, £1,030. Like I said, the toiletry pouch was never for me. It never worked out for me, but I'm still pretty bloody angry at how this has all gone down. It's no longer an affordable entry level piece that people can use to dip their toe into the brand and decide if they want to then move on and go on and buy bigger, better, more expensive things, maybe even move into those leather pieces that Louis desperately wants us to buy instead of the canvas. And it isn't just the toiletry pouches, but we are still kind of sticking with the SLG category, the Nice Mini. Specifically the Nice Mini because it is the right size. I have one I prepared earlier. This is my Nice Mini. I bought it on my birthday in 2019. I will have my video, my extravaganza video, linked down below. This had just been released at the time. It was £460. This now costs £800 on its own. Putting that aside for one moment, wow! This was also a popular option for people to pop a little D-ring through the little bits here on the top, the little, I don't know, the little strap holder jobbies. pop a little D-ring through there, clip on a chain strap and wear this as a bag. Now, I have tried carrying this as a handbag. Again, it's not for me. I know it is incredibly popular. It's another, or it was another affordable option for people to try and still have that little bit of Louis flex, but at a slightly lower price point. But the thing is, it was another DIY job, same as the toiletry pouch. You'd buy a conversion kit and then you could add your chain, but it was a DIY job. So Louis saw this. They said, oh, we see you using our SLGs as handbags. Let's redesign our SLG as a handbag and stick another grand on the price, at least. Now again, I'm sticking with the Nice Mini because the dimensions, although not identical to the Vanity PM, they are very comparable. Now, the Vanity PM, it comes with a little padlock, so you can actually lock it. It also comes with a little cloche for the key for the padlock, and it comes with a woven leather and metal chain strap, which is a shoulder strap. It's in no way, shape or form is that a crossbody strap. Now in the UK, the Vanity PM currently costs £1,970, which is £1,170 more expensive than the Nice Mini. It's blooming crazy! And they are not the only ones to do this. Dior have pulled out a version of the Vanity. Chanel have pulled out a version of the Vanity where they whack a chain strap on there, chuck another £1.50 on the price tag, and it is completely nuts. And that is why I think that Louis Vuitton and Chanel and Dior, if I'm honest, and there are probably other brands that do exactly the same thing, have done exactly the same thing, that's why I think they're actually laughing at us. They're actually laughing at us because they're doing this and we're still buying them. They have taken our ingenious, innovative DIY ideas, made them their own, put the price tag up, and we're still buying them. And it still looks like a DIY job to me. They don't look like DIY jobs when they've redesigned them properly, but they still look like what they are, what they originally were, which is an SLG. It's a toiletry pouch, or it is a Nice cosmetic case, vanity case. And I don't know why we let them get away with it. I don't know why we still buy these things. I don't know why. I just don't know why. I don't get it. Let me know in the comment section down below if you think I am a little bit cuckoo for not getting it. You get it, you tell me why, or let me know if you agree with me and you don't understand it either. Also, let me know if you are someone who has used the Toiletry 26 as a handbag and have loved it, or the Nice Mini as a handbag and have loved it. I would love to know your thoughts. Normal service will be resumed in my next video, but if you have enjoyed this video, rant aside, please do show it the thumbs up love, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!